Hi, this is Dr. Rahman here. I was a Core 1 student last month and came back here for the Core 1 Plus. So this two-day class gave me a lot more experience, upped my speed. I went from placing 20 plus implants in 4 days to doing 2 full arch cases these last 2 days. So that's more than 20 implants in 2 days. Just the prosthetics part of it has been more extensive with Core 1 Plus because instead of focusing on single implant placements, we're looking at the big picture. We're doing a complete upper and lower reconstruction, which you don't get to do in Core 1. I would come back here like a million times over.